Hey, if you are wondering if you can switch lenses during the video recording on the Poco F8 Ultra, then yes and no, and let me quickly show you what it means. First of all, when you start recording with the 8K, you cannot use ultra wide angle. You can only record with the main lens, 23mm, but you can also switch into the 115mm to the telescope lens. So in this case, you can actually change it. When we go for the 4K and the 60 frames per second, we can actually record in this ultra wide angle. And as you can see, we can switch here from 0 to 5x. So we can basically switch into every lenses. And we can zoom in up to 10 times. When you go for the 30 frames per second and start from the ultra wide angle, as you can see, now for some reason we can only switch into the main lens, 23mm. When we start recording from main lens, we can actually go to the 115mm lens, but we cannot go back for some reason into the ultra wide angle. That's actually strange because when you select 60 frames per second, you can switch between every lens. So it's probably some kind of the software bug, but that's what I want to show you. And when you go for full HD and the 60 frames per second, still you can switch only from 0.7 to the 1x. You cannot go for 5x, but when you start from the main lens like that, you can go into the 5x right now. So that's pretty annoying feature over here. I'm not sure if I can even call it feature. For me, it's some kind of the bug here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find it useful.